Okay, so today I'm going to show you the 3 ways that you can check your team. The first one is going to be into SafeBell. And remember, I always say don't check Community Tree because you're not going to see if people qualify or not. But one good way to check is to go see where your team member is. You go there to Community at the top. You take out that number. Let me go see what this person looks like. You're going to press on search. The bottom below the logo, the number is there. You will click there and now you will go see. This person's community size is 934. They are a mentor and it shows you when they started. So that's just good info to have. When you go to the dashboard, obviously you can see your wallet info, but you will not be able to see that person. Remember, it's that person's confidential information. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is how to do it through blockchain. On your dashboard in SafeBell, you're going to scroll right down to the bottom and you'll see there's a yellow link there. You're going to press on that and that is shortcut to the blockchain. Did you know that? So what you're going to do is you can go and check out the recent transactions if you wanted to. There's royalty bonuses claimed, upgrade 5 minutes ago, 6 minutes ago. So it's a very active contract. So you know that it's a well-run contract, okay? So here in the middle it says transaction. You're going to scroll to the left until it says contracts. You are going to go press on contracts. Now, if you wanted to register somebody or upgrade them, but remember your wallet is open, it will take the funds out of your own wallet. You can go and write, but when you go into write, you have to connect to the wallet. So you will press on connect, you will say okay, and you will go through MetaMask. And you'll see now it changed to a green okay sign. So now you're connected and you can go and register people if you wanted to. But I'm just going to show you how to go and check the information of people in your team. So you're going to press on read contract. And for this, you do not need to be connected. I'm going to go to number 49 because I want to see if this person has got anybody in their team. It's actually, yeah, it's 49, user info. You're going to type the number there. So let's take the same wallet and you're going to go query. And then on the blockchain, it's going to show you they're on level 6. They've got 5 people in their direct team and they've got 934 in their whole team. That is very good to get that information, okay? But now we want to go check it through the RainBNB app. You are going to close here. You have to have your wallet open anyway. And for those people that do not know, this is what the RainBNB link looks like. It's on the WhatsApp group. You have to request it, okay? And then it will look like, this. You will click on there. You will choose SafeBell. And then your wallet will come up. You will say agree. So I just want you to notice something. My wallet fund, 0.097, because when you go and check somebody's wallet, that wallet fund is going to be yours. It's not going to be the person's that you are looking at. Here at the top looks like the square with a circle in. You're going to press there. You're just going to put the person's ID number in to go and check, and you go preview. And now you're seeing the exact same information you saw on the blockchain or on SafeBell, except my wallet fund is not this person's wallet fund because, as I said, that is restricted. It is confidential, okay? So there's the user ID. They are a mentor, and you can go and check all the bottom things. It's what's going on in their team. The total deposits, they've got 5 directs. They've got 934 people in their community. And you can even go and see where did they earn bonuses today. Sure, that's quite a lot of bonuses. That is awesome. Okay, just wanted to show you that. And while we're in RainBNB, I want people to get used to it, because if the link is going to change again, the HTTPS link, then this is going to be much better. You're going to go on the cross. If you wanted to check another wallet, you have to disconnect here first. So press there on the green thing at the top and you're going to say disconnect. And you are going to close this. If you wanted to look at another wallet, you would have to open that wallet first on SafePal. Then you're going to go to the RainBnB app, open it up. You're going to choose SafePal. And there the new wallet is going to come up. You're going to say agree. And now that's the wallet that I'm looking at presently. So if I wanted to register somebody, I can do it, but that means that I'm going to be paying for it. And then you're just going to go on that green button and you're going to say disconnect. And you're going to close it because now you're back into SafePal. Thank you.